Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to do this unboxing ASMR style. So yeah, a lot of you guys has been requesting for this kind of video. So let's go and then do this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company, so I'm not sure what my wife purchased, so this is kind of like a mystery unboxing. Besides some kind of a card game, lay the cards face down in a grid. The first player flip over 2 cards face up. If 2 cards match, the player keep the pairs and get another turn. If they do not match, the cards are turned face down, and it's the next player's turn. Keep playing until the cards are gone. Collect the maximum numbers of pairs to win. Be sure to remember where the cards are so that you can find them later in the game. So this is more like a memorization. Another way to play, you can draw a card you want on the back of the card and make drawing a new game by your imagination. It's a 72 tiles everyday item memory game. The product is made in China. Go ahead and take this out. The lock is pretty tight. And this one is the Go Together flashcard. 50 cards inside. for a child to learn their vocabulary. No, the car doesn't really want to go in because the flap is blocking it. Anyway, go and check out this one. So 2 bottles of Aveeno. The moisturizer face cleanser. For dry skin and fragrance free. So yeah, it's good that they tape this, but unfortunately there's no bubble wrap, so it's being around, it's still gonna break or something. Because last time the soap got leaks out, so well, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.